Hello friends, this is Vishwanathan Iyer. Welcome to listen my views on typewriters. A few decades ago, the typewriters ruled. With the invent of computers, they were predicted to be doomed. Those days, typewriters got backing of government. They were a huge hit as they provided employment. Like the Indian kings, they believed they were an unbeatable device. Computer revolution like Britishers took them by surprise. They did survive the storm but were overpowered. Everyone cheered as computer institutes flowered. In the world of computers, the keypad was the same. Typists became better computer operators and are still in the game. Adapt or perish is a common saying. In the world of computers, typists are still staying. Thank you.